Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miranda and I love making all things sourdough. So today I'm going to make Little Spoon Farm sourdough chocolate chip cookies. For this recipe, you're going to need some all-purpose flour, some white granulated sugar, brown sugar, chocolate chip, baking powder, vanilla extract, baking soda, salt, sourdough discard, butter, and 1 egg. I will be weighing all these ingredients out, so if you have a food scale, go ahead and grab that. I started off with adding 220 grams of all-purpose flour to the bowl, 5 grams of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 a teaspoon of baking powder, and then I mix that together. Go ahead and set that bowl aside and then grab your KitchenAid stand mixing bowl. Add 1 stick of cubed butter, 100 grams of white sugar, and 100 grams of brown sugar. Place the bowl back on your KitchenAid stand and then go ahead and beat for 45 to 60 seconds until it forms crumbs. Next, in another small bowl, we are going to mix together our sourdough discard, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then mix that until it's smooth. Next, on low speed on your KitchenAid, go ahead and mix in your dry ingredients to your butter sugar mixture. Next, go ahead and add your sourdough egg mixture to your KitchenAid bowl and mix that on low. If you need to, go ahead and scrape down the sides and then mix it a little bit more. After that, I went ahead and added my chocolate chips, although I was supposed to just add them to the butter sugar mixture, but I missed that instruction. Went ahead and scraped the dough off the paddle. Went ahead and removed the bowl from my KitchenAid, and this is what my dough is looking at right now. Next, go ahead and line a large baking sheet with some parchment paper. Next, we are going to scoop out our cookies. I end up using a large ice cream scoop to do mine. After that, you're going to go ahead and cover your cookie sheet with some plastic wrap and then place them in the fridge for 2 hours. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you're going to add your cookies to your oven once your oven is completely heated. You're going to cook these for 15 to 17 minutes, but I will say mine started to brown around the edges around 13-14 minutes, so I did remove them. So just make sure you're watching and get to know your oven if you are making these cookies, because you might need to take them out sooner. I went ahead and removed them to a cooling rack after I let them rest for like 5 minutes. After tasting one of these cookies, my review on them is, if you don't like a super sweet cookie, these are not very sweet, but I would say they're more like a cake batter cookie. But overall, I did like them, but I will link the recipe in the description below, and then follow me for more recipe reviews.